So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to edit or how to change the background color of your document on Google Docs. So it's very simple. I want you guys to go to the top left, press on the magnifying glass here, then go to where it says page setup. Then on pages right here, if you scroll down to where it says paper size and page color, this is where you can go ahead and change the page color or the background color. So in this case, if you wanted to make it like a very light kind of reddish color, you can go ahead and do that, press OK right here, and then your color has changed. Once again, if you go to the magnifying glass and go to page setup, you can go to the page color here, and if you want to customize it, you can create a customized color as well. But if you wanted to go ahead and make it kind of a pink color like this, you've now changed the background color or the page color. So that's how you guys can edit the background color here on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.